Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to connect your custom domain to Lovable AI. So first, you have to open your project in Lovable AI and then click the drop-down menu in the top left, then go to Settings and select Domain. And then click Disconnect Domain. And for this video, I'm going to use pork bun website. So all I have to do is to enter my pork bun domain name like somethingyourdomain.com, then click continue. Lovable will show you two error records. Copy them carefully. Then log into your pork bun account. Then go to domain management, then details next to your domain and scroll to DNS record and click to add records and select type A. For host, type the @ symbol, and for answer, paste the first IP address from Lovable and click the add. Add a second air record for host and type www, paste the second IP address in answer, then click add again. Now you return to Lovable and click done. Your domain is now connecting and wait up to 48 hours for DNS propagation. And that's how you connect your domain successfully to your AI project. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will catch you in the next video.